Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x square plus 5x minus a square plus a minus 6 is equals to 0. And we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'm taking this a square plus a minus 6 is equals to 0. So it's look like quadratic equation. So we can do the middle term. So 6 we can break it as 2 and 3. So a square plus 3a minus 2a minus 6 is equals to 0. So I can take a as common. So a plus 3. And from here minus 2 as common. So a plus 3 is equals to 0. So a plus 3 is common. So what is left? A minus 2. So I can replace this. So x square plus 5x minus a plus 3, a minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have to break 5x in terms of a plus 3 and a minus 2. So if I'll do a plus 3 and a minus 2, with subtraction sign, minus a minus 2 is plus 2. So we'll subtract this and 3 plus 2 gives us 5. So we can break the middle term 5x as x square plus a plus 3x minus a minus 2x, and rest we'll write the same. Now I can take x as common. So what is left? X plus a plus 3 minus, if I'll take a minus 2 as common, so x plus minus is plus a plus 3 is equals to 0. So this is common from both the brackets. So x plus a plus 3. What is left? This x and this minus a minus 2 is equals to 0. So either this will be 0 or this will be 0 when x plus a plus 3 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus a plus 3, or we can write it as x is equals to minus a minus 3. And when x minus a minus 2 is equals to 0, so x is equals to plus a minus 2. So x is equals to a minus 2. So we have two values of x when x is equals to minus a minus 3 and x is equals to a minus 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.